Of course, this is a drone. I'm just happy to say that our Plymouth Rock is now up 12%. It is a drone company. PLRTF is actually a company that has been reseeding the plantations in Somalia because Somalia, unfortunately, has done a lot of illegal logging, and those trees were not replanted. So what did they do? They used drones. Take a look at this IBKR, IBKR today. Take a look at my Facelesstrader profile, guys. This is high-tech farming powered by drones. Drones, agri-tech, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0. Let's watch this. For those who don't know, drones can actually assist a lot of agriculture technology. It's called precision ag tech. So the drones can fly 5,000 hectares all the way. So look at this picture right now. I'm sharing to you this video. So that is a drone doing watering, reseeding all the way. So that this is an example of a drone for farms, and that is exactly what Plymouth Rock has done in Somalia. So it is a UN United Nations mission. This is it. I'm gonna read that to you. I'm so happy to invest in companies that are doing a good work. Plymouth Rock Technologies is a leader in developing threat detection, and they are supplying unmanned aerial vehicles for UN assistance mission in Somalia. That was a January 28, 2021 news, and the program is a reseeding mission. UNEP estimates 8 million trees were cut down for charcoal in Somalia between 2011 and 2017, increasing land degradation, food insecurity, and vulnerability to flooding and drought. Over 80% of charcoal produced in Somalia has been exported to Gulf states and neighboring countries. Illegal trades in charcoal has been recognized as a key contributor to insecurity in Somalia, providing a funding source for militias, terrorist groups, and even actors linked to conflict who illegally tax these exports. Now, operating in a war zone, flying this BVLOS at night while carrying a heavy payload and delivering it with exact precision is not a simple undertaking. That is what Carl Cagliarini said, the co-founder and chief strategy officer of PRT. Not to mention the all-weather conditions at 20 nautical mile round trip. The technologies within this UAV platform combined are not dissimilar to that found on military assets. The task of stripping away every ounce of weight just to add the means for stealth flight and essential mission tools was critical. So guys, what you saw in the Netflix Outside the Wire is real. We are living in the world of Jetsons. So you've got robotics, you've got drones, those are real. I was actually sharing that inside the Awesome 10X Inner Circle.